couldn't follow the FA Cup games now. I mean, I'm Twitter. And my boy be Augustine. He posted a video of 11 wonders. Omo upon game no more dressing room. And omo goalkeeper. Obuni ni ane nisio. And I'm saying, and the DNC. I tell this I share 11 wonders 4. And in the FA Cup.
Let wonders team say Ayala.
No, but
me name Zamenka say a good year.
But Rich. A good and Nadio, they are a Premier League club against a lower division club.
Yeah.
And 1-0 understandable.
But
2-1. You get it? Like they've just swept them away.
That is the level 11 wonders team they do.
And
no, team at a point, players are great near the enemy.
You see,
that is the level wonders team number.
Say in all honesty, sir, point is a common the wonders for no show me, it has been blown out of proportion in the media. I'm being honest with you. Any media man be on your now you so obey follow just the narrative. Obey make it course to ascertain whether that was really the problem. We will know say yes, there were some small problem, but and yet as and yet said you are made to believe in the media, which and no crazy. Say a comedy no. It is not like that at all. And yes,
Jay Sapon and Chimia.
No, say Jay Sapon is an exaggerated man.
Okay. So the Kaka
he's a storyteller and a knee and a son of man. And I'm not saying he said there were no problems, but he blew it way out of proportion. But Rich, it doesn't mean that wonders are not struggling. They are. But to be beaten by
a transfer, no me idea.
Metiasie, but Rich, I say, me per example, Wolverhampton Wonders. Then in the FA Cup in the Premier League, then they meet. Say, yes, Coventry City. Me promo me idea championship. Ntibia Coventry City and now Birmingham.
Okay.
No, I said for Rich. Anyone else know this year, Rich, in their history will be a year they want to fight. I don't think look, but I'm saying what they know soon because I say I feel be a sign of league na yenyade. You could be any say home away.
Africa
Cup was so I could sham crown so. Not to say,
Oman share about
we any master cry. And then, body bank, opening one can be an answer then. But I said to myself, say, oh, this is what the FA Cup is about.
Ubia.
And I think, sir, I tell the visa be a quiet for this weekend.
Okay.
So, we are too sure. So,
that's okay.
Now, when you're down.
Everybody enter FA Cup in Hong Kong. But before, no possess Efi the Black Stars of Ghana and so I catch in fact the Ghana Football Association. Now before I know announcement in the Bible and take now FNA Dinka Hentie through a yet ne Kasama for Henry Asanjitum. Say technical team number strength and sana yako a yet walk up and now officially no the Ghana Football Association at the confirmation and I say announcement and so at the Bible thing. Na almost say the nipa makumako enum ana ababe beefy up the technical team yebe kwakobo the 2026 World Cup nyame yadman in June abekoso US, Canada and in Mexico. Na openi odi kan Alien Rivera openi no French French na almost say why assistant to the Guinea national team in the international experience obi pa. And now Oko AS Monaco team no so I France no also why assistant coach at the moment to opinion a bano a coach na ono so nim de pa amjide so de ne beka otuado mo ho na obetena bench wa with an experience awanya with the Guinea national team and afi AS Monaco club no obetimi enso at the san experience no ababa boa Black Stars e bra ye ko World Cup no. Then the second air coach, Yafana on so beka technical team no our own Kim Lance, our own Ekuta Black Queens. Abobo Ekuno. Na say nebeka last year 2025. women's half ko ekobo Morocco a odi ekoto so biensa ye je bronze no opani na di team nanim enso ye koye sa niema no ono nso sese ye de no ababeka Black Stars technical team no as an assistant coach ono nso eba no obeboa ama dwumadie no bibia aye kam ana fei almost say Jose Daniel Martinez Alfonso ono nso aye Spain ni ba na ono nso waye an assistant and a video analyst oko the Major League Soccer ni mu adiama Atlanta FC ono nso waye adwuma awo nti ono nso no eba na experience ono nso obi ye pa omgire se omo de ka aye technical team no ho a ono nso beti aboa na ode ninim de no ababoa aye team no after the medical side hono medical team no honso ayade omo strength no omo se opinion friends Carlos Lozano Romero also at the team physiotherapist also eba be bobo kodo as in the Black Stars of Ghana now also 2022 World Cup e ko okata no opani na okatim ho dada enti eba no familiarities ni ade a am so nim team ni pa enti ono so no the medical team na yade a wasan aba be ka ho no so ebeboa ne beefy up ama players na pom de ni bibia so no etima konkanti Carlos Lozano Romero ono so yedena koka the medical team of the Black Stars of Ghana and na British born Ghanaian Parkwasi ono so according to the FA ono so ni nimdie awosuriye pa in terms of performance coach into ono so say about the physical conditioning of the players and also the performance enhancement of the players ono so at the expertise they on board na odi ababoa ebra Black Stars nso no ye ko the FIFA World Cup anyama abekoso our 2026 year mu our US Canada and then Mexico enti enrantenum ananipaduma adno announcement ne ban no omne ye de omo ato YouTube and Share TV enti uba also betimi abana abahwe na ohun said ya honsam no enso AC echo enti Jose Martinez Alfonso no no baboan in terms of scouting and ye kobo game bia teams na no mbobo no ono na ebeboan na wa analyze teams no na wa kire otu adodom so ebia game na echo no with our opponent ni say no mbonti yenso approach game no omo nyina no eba on board na omo ababebo ama bibia no come on this time Kofi afisa me sha said ye free ho the Black Stars of Ghana GFA with the new inclusion ababeka the technical team no no ojide so mbetimi aboan with kakra FA no akadia fa sani pa omo so eba on board no ojide say no betimi aboan going to the World Cup na
in advanced jurisdictions baby a football you know to be very honest with you obia obey the list of Black Stars coaches here they account to adon with a naked eye on what it means to do that, you know. Everything say a dinke yes and so they can. And I'm saying this even before I get to know the quality, the real quality of these guys, because I'm not in the day-to-day administration of the team. So a team no results and maybe determine how good these guys are or not. But if say Oko how even class beat to say TP Mazembe, Mamelodi Sundowns. I mean, the last time I was looking at a documentary of Rolani Makwena in his current times or Rajani Adiade, the number of backroom staff he has. Or not personally, Ronaldo Nkwa were 8. A team of 8 out of them.
8?
Yeah, like Ufa Rolani, they come with it 8
the
people.
Backroom, no?
Yeah.
8.
Yes, the last time Picho Motsimani went to win, I think it was one of the intercontinental trophies. No, on only the was 6. On only a personal 2 video analysts. There is a data analyst. There is a physiotherapist as a physical trainer that you have with. So coaches themselves these days come with 8 to 6 average. Then team, usually have like 10, 12, 15 or more station or more team Nejuma that comes out. So there's a backroom staff of close to 20. Because, for example, say Ghana bought a game against Panama area. The number of days on the answer on my next game here, let's say 4 to 6 days number. Or let's say 24 or 26 players. 26 players in the World Cup. No? So you see all of the substitutions. That it means that somewhere around 16 to 17 players in the match. Match in the you play some bread, then some need massage, some need. In fact, for physiotherapy is a constant thing. Again, you need a massage. Even regular people who have regular exercise, the rest that you need is very important. And for players like that. And imagine so was 17 players now physiotherapists yet 3 pay. Just 3 physios and 2 physios. Medical team maybe just 4. 16 players that need to be attended to. So it's important for us to beef up your backroom staff. It's not even a question. In fact, it's still not enough in my opinion. Because yes, the 18 man who won Obi say Wilfred Schaefer. I don't think Wilfred Schaefer will play day-to-day key running of the Black Stars in tournament Fanenka.
Obi could say Black Stars back up 1 million technical.
It's not enough. It's because Nipano or Kasa Semno from a place where he's probably not enlightened, and that's not wrong. I don't know a lot about engineering. It's most of the engineering structure BS one of my mates can say because of the lack of information I don't have about engineering. But it is very important in top class to bring people in. And if you look at the names that they are, the only one of them may a little bit coy about is Kim Lasbiokeren, who is a Black Kings manager. I'm tempted to believe I'm in a very good discussion with him for him to know his place because he's a senior coach and one of the assistants to Tuado. So he has to know where his place ends and starts. Once that is sorted out, I don't have a problem. Rich, we've said several times, Oshe Obiti said Desmond Ofe, the kind of tactical input you give to the team. Oshe, all of these things that it's important for you to get married. One of them. Say, the top clubs in Europe. There is one assistant coach who's in charge of training. And training usually you teach him. You won't want recovery because he won't the last match and he will be on your tactical session. They're different. So the senior coach oversees all of that. But the assistant coach are supposed to be as competent as the coach who do that job. Then they sit down to do their technical meetings and prepare for the games because of this analysis. And very, very important in a modern game. So for me, it's still not even enough. It's still not enough. Because Yababeko World Cup, who said England and Ghana. Yeah.
There's one of your aboni.
Yeah.
There's one from under 20. Also a journey, technical team. Zomuni Utuadu Munina. And as I said, came last in Alieno Rivera and so about.
Yeah.
And then I added up a video analyst in Abrante FS Afonso.
Yeah.
And your medical side also.
Meaning
Obi to say performance coach.
Yeah, Obi to say a while like this, who is part of the video analysis team. I think that there were 2 or 3 at a time. We're supposed to get
enough
constant like video analysis, like 6 in the video analysis team. Which you see, Ghana, once something comes up near dinner, they will run with it. They don't even call it video analysis abroad. It's a performance team. In a performance team, there's a data analyst that's specific with data. Then there's the video analyst. They use the patterns and this animal. Then all of them will head. Into our analysis, we share Panama for we share attacking transitions. We see. Then they come together with the data. Then they present it to our boss. Into our go to the whole. Our boss, the performance head never go to and say, Jack, you share data, no, you could. So we've seen.
For example, we're a group now. You're Croatia, you're Panama, and you're England. Into our video analysis, near Chamo. Oh, we are watching England, Panama.
Even before Croatia, and only the scouts will do that. Scouts no credit how. Scouts in the best scout before the tournament. But the video analysis, even the Panama match, no better match a Panama gameplay no to be 4-5. What Panama do in build up because in one match and I show into be a full presentation of say Panama about 30 games. It moves 7 or build up with centre backs. It move 4 build up and no crown or ball match with TB and we premier. Build up progression
and then I'm telling you.
I'm telling you.
And yes, small job.
I'm telling you.
analyzing a team.
Rich,
easy.
The little one we do over here by waking up, reading a few things, going to watch games, and all of those things come and present. It's not even easy. Because if you've gone through university education, natural, what's the name? Information gathering, any or getting good use of resources. It's not easy because there's a lot of chaff on the internet. And then you hear with the presentation that you are going to do. How does it merit the kind of job that you are doing? See, it's a deep job for me. I don't have any problem at all. Okay. I think so it's a good one. It's in order. See, it's more crab world to other. I will like it.
Another me say listen by a man for comment. Otu no anya de obeyi na fru amunyini fru na munya asem akwesisa coaches bebree za ne beka no asemo
Ghana hano it will take another 20 years to educate and for bebree about a perception over a lot of things in our sports. And I will not say this with any ambiguity. Rich blasters Effie and who be biano
okay on kabi
exactly. And even when you are the facts, the truth, and giving proper education about no baby see no. Some of it me fast and free. Those are not the people you pay particular attention to. Now, Rich, this culture of the other technical team members, Ebeka, the already technical team members of the Blasters, Abra Yeko major tournament, it has been there since 30. Nti enye bibia afe na esie bibia esi. Number 2, sa adie ya ye Rich enye peculiar kwa ni twie de and now so ko se Ghana nkwa and yes adie we almost all the countries on Baba World Cup no Rich one way or the other will bring other people on board to their technical team, including the creme de la creme of national teams, Brazil, England, Spain. Nti a normal football adie and I yensu ye be say ye major tournament and we need more hands on deck to make your team strong. Nti nye bibi e sonko yenye bibi sonko bia and in the Ghanaian context kwade ayade yende bia see a tournament. Now, enkomo ketua bi ambese midi say me assure say enkofo a genuine concern will be how effective and omo edu omo beka hui would they improve the team ana. That should be the bone of contention. Omo be you know your standard of your Blasters na ye hu no. Do they have the competence to add something and improve the team? And look, Rich, for a typical street football fan, our Ghana, you know. So, Oba announces, oh, Omo that I know, yes, I'll be free up the Bia Bekanwa. Me expectations, you say, okay, then I watch Blasters against Mali. Michel Blasters last game against Comoros. Say, ye di biaba be technical team no one. Then I will need to see a better Blasters against Panama. A better Blasters that reads the game, plays properly, and change them against Comoros, against England, and against Croatia. That is the bottom line.
No, this is not any no. You say, just look. You feel say you need enough. In the end, we remember count almost my brain. Fantastic. Be a performance in the back.
It's is to improve the team. And the new me and we able to be assessing whether those people came is to watch our Blasters at the World Cup and say, oh, I deal with the count. For instance, before some of the games in the World Cup qualifiers, especially our AFCON qualifiers. Rich, look at the way we were conceding goals. You know, be about the MCC because I had to concede. Sankofonia set pieces, free kick, corner, then we know we were going to concede. Say yes, you didn't say finally. But the moment after young qualify Anko AFCON, na the executive council ebe communicate to Ghana for say a revamp of the technical team. Na ye din konfobia about the kahu, which included Gregory de Grow, I found free Belgium. Now by SEO or Barbecue team no ho as a video analyst and a set piece specialist. Rich obi onam kejetia makola okenshi asafo bantema a otie nsisi me review of sa addition and say obi any consider through set pieces na ye nya dia is as say eno say koji oni abo now ye this ani pakoi ba ya ye say or the Blasters no fa set pieces mu no ene ye nya corner na aye hu my opponent. The number of goals I shot from corners, I shot from free kicks. Number of goals we used to concede from set pieces. Say any team no be able. Oh, okay, any Gregory buy no. We be improve a team no.
Because at the point number for crackers as is you Arsenal for no. And party na this hard in our kind one.
Yes.
If you are not so the channel drink on the
banner. Started posting Otuado picture with Arteta and says probably 100%. But it was Gregory. We came through more light and said, no, it is because of this man. And for a typical Ghanaian here, Rich, on shall community popo. If you said you've brought in people, then send your Gregory Mubaka team no hono. Now, unim the American a typical Ghanaian awoti and say, bia on Nijidi Nisro for the Blasters, bia or a certain perception with the Blasters. By Anshadio Rich, your performance or the AFCON qualifiers. Any performance after your revamp your technical team, no, I the board the World Cup qualifiers. No. Is it not a sharp contrast? Like who say defense be brave, and does that suggest to Obia OTA and say, any you can't say you revamp your technical team no after young qualifying for AFCON no. Nayade Desmond Ofe, Winfred Anton Schaefer, Yadi Gregory Baye, Yadi Chris Peggy as the team psychologist Baye, Yadi Yankasi Isa Amadou, any Abdurrahman Al-Hassan, Eko equipment officers no. Rich, Omu Adishi no Baye no. Your team no transition from sa poor Ghana Blasters now, na name at the AFCON qualifiers to a very, very good team that won games, and today a team they are qualified and they are World Cup. It was the same people that took the decision. And at least in recent history there, you say ni baby, na nyakra. Omo revamp technical team didn't go for back on. Your performances are say improve. Ameni. And so your performance in the AFCON qualifiers and Kenya in the Soviet Union can qualify for World Cup. But they've been able to improve the Blasters. Is that a good enough basis? Say, yen tum say omo ma ben so no will further improve the team ana.
Okay.
I think say that is a good question that can be at least a good belief. Say a revamp team no we saw an improvement and probably we also will come and add a certain improvement to it. My last comment in say na Fifi can Rich, even with these additions, that takes the number of your technical team, to around 18 men, When says they compare country by country at the World Cup, Rich, we will still be one of the countries that award the least number of technical team. Oh. Ghana ni bia ni wa or you used to 18 man technical team. It is because we are not used to elite football. So obi o Egypt already elderly close to about 25 to 30 man technical team. And look at just say Egypt you call World Cup. And that's in the technical team 30. And if I support Ali him say normal. So okay you be support Mamelodi Sundowns. Our him say Mamelodi Sundowns our technical team of a huge number. Okay you say because South Africa go World Cup. And that this is our number 9 akosea. E be normal but who say and say we are not used to that. Because Rich your biggest team say Ghana. Even your Kotokoni has doesn't have standard technical team.
Head coach, assistant.
Asa.
And the backroom.
Maybe a second assistant said the Kotoko. Any a promote youth team to become second like will be kaka. Which is not
You get
it.
Raja Club or show videos also
make some common say open some phone lines. People will come and it is because of where we are coming from.
Because so what I'm for commenter I'm say if any near more because to our don that Tomako sister nipa bebre ya beguno
until American say and that person will say that because on you used to
and it's true
20 man technical saying
well no okon Kotoko training ground see
three questions yes na please usu no when you be a
goalkeeper training
na team nurse be doctor
Black Stars yes 18 now the World Cup
away from Kotoko house most of the teams don't have physiotherapists.
Yes
physio
Rich physiotherapists me kind years ago time working Faisal sometimes when a student at physiotherapy department okay and it's not fair to static course fresh someone don't be intention and that girls no work class ko no mama ya kwa we omo student
mo ko without the physio
you ko brekum ni ade ade a no near pet. I'm telling you.
Oh, what did
this is some see am yen name.
Oh,
say what da ba say no dey ma wo ko sitting yes I na da wan say da ba ko say.
Oh, enti enya dey used to. Which ye born na okromo no. We enya elite standard. Enti no maybe say no ewia ye.
And ni na boils down to sikawo. O say there be enkomo ne say bi o man e kobo besia. Ye ti kromu anipa kwan ye
is he
hospitals in Koye facilities. And enough.
For me, in connection with Black Stars and national team, Mimi give say Nyiska a bad media for a very, very long time. They've gotten things wrong and they've created wrong perception about football to the football fan.
And I was saying Nyiska.
No.
Because you
Rich, maybe
the last time I can't branca.
I'm not in connection with the Black Stars. Okay. I'm not talking about a club football. So continue a 20-man technical team. That is money. No supporter will be against Kotoko. Adding technical team elite people. Say na you can say nkebetna yi. Ni you can say na penkra say Kotoko akofa video analyst for Belgium. We offer performance analyst for UK. Do you think you open phone lines and any Kotoko supporter will call and say, Nankofo baby, no, they will support it, but they will not support that for the Blasters. Because in their minds, they've listened to a certain media and they've been created a perception say Blasters there, omu disika, omu yetim papa, and go for one phone. They put it in the negative light. That is what I'm talking about. Say at the Blasters level, I guess because Nkofo Mabe, Yanka sentiment Yomuka. We are going to pay them in other jurisdictions or mine, which these are standard. Standard. We can do that. But how do you expect Kofi Adams to say, Mema Beino, I have been exposed to elite football running and to major during my tenure. So as a sports minister, the standard constant Blasters technical team is 18 man. And Gabriel Comes and go for the Baba. Say, at the time when he's and you Blasters, that would have been the narrative. That is why we can't do that. But I'm saying, sir, stance now, you take it against these things, you know. It is coming from bad media over the years to get a certain impression. It's in Kofor, a response, any more trigger to Blasters discussions. Any sound will be saying are so negative because over the years they are negative towards the national team.
Okay.
Maybe it will make sense to those people. Yeah, we will try as much as possible to lay some facts bare. So obviously, the person should have their smartphone, Google other national team technical team. Now share the number of conform war. So I will say we are even exaggerating with England in a year. Just go to Ali Benghazi, go to El Ali, go to these clubs. Whether Casablanca, never a number of technical team members or more. That will inform you why Morocco will not be fused about this by a Ghanaian war.
Insurance of 4.5, MTN FA Cup round 16. I don't know, you can't catch them. Say 11 on this. I'm a Premier League side. I'm a trauma. A trauma division. I show me can 9-4. I'm anti anti. Na the other games, you know, you been your Kotoko. Oh boy, Biana. Dreams about boy in Tarlice, Chelsea, about Tamale City, True Life, and the Pando Heart of Lions. Na Techimine, Liberty Youth. I'm so abo aye Real Tamale United RTU. I know yeah, fixtures are nyame adoma MTN FA 16 no. And so Barcelona ahead of Kotoko Adriana game no. Coach Kanzito. I did some kakra adi atuja about the game itself na Kotoko Airbono. Akasa dia fa game no yentie kakra na yemfa amidin komono emfa mamu inshallah 4.5 Kanzito on Adriana Kotoko game no.
We don't have any game because one of my objectives is to win the league or the FA or double. So definitely I have to work hard and then we don't afford to lose against Ebiana if we want to do any meaningful impact into the system. So I think we are going back and then work hard for the FA. Well,
okay, and it comes to ahead of Diana game no. I'll say we a game on and right to normal prepare very very well because Sawosha Kotoko this season trophy Nijino so they compare league na air for kakra this MTN FA Cup and almost I'll come back to Africa and so I want to be on the league in the almost feel say a beer MTN FA Cup and they're likely and no better me do my call African Nintendo game we I prepare very very well Edi Asia Adriana Abobo Ekuno we no say Kotoko say adia ba kwa ha team no consistency I say and almost share the next game na draw bi na makulusu I say adia say on any technical team no mo he na omo asolve sa problem no edi afio.
Well, it's not about inconsistency. When I played, you saw we won. Because some of you, when you win, you are the best team. You can win, not being the best team. You understand me? So I think you have to check your contest very well It's not about inconsistency. We played that day, we won, we had the chances, and we won. After that, we went to BBNE, we played better. From the first half, the second half was even heated than the first half. And then we came back to play at home, we won, you understand me? And then we came here today, and it didn't go the way we wanted it. So that doesn't mean it's about inconsistency. At least we had two, and then this one.
Okay. Can you see to ahead of Omani Adriana no now this uncle at the two da na around here friend says Sedu Sana ono Adriana player ono so ahead of the game against Asante Kotoko around here den sam kakra to ja intine na in game no
if we cap na ko we cap so de obi anya obi a say you come home there come say there ba come so your body sister go fie na intino supporters in the promote or some support you stand there na moment was if we cap on the any abre pa and mentality no so tough sa any abre
okay it is said sana also game near very tough and into almost all my people ngi pa on the eba kumase na omo ehia kumase Asante Kotoko Ayala me sure say mfemfi kakra bi na yema atiefo no mrem
nka Kotoko ni Adriana game there was a
can say 30 minutes
also Fifi na bomb mine tactically also who say me koya juso Tama Kotoko in the same FA Cup Asia Future Stars na Saturday no ye free stadium wako no Okese Park Rich Kotoko brand sa no mo Future Stars na ye free wa ko tutu ye cars no two players from the Future Stars na omudia ka Kotoko supporters team were one guy wearing the number 7 JC on share first goal no then this midfielder called Bar Father now Saturday no Ediana see you at Abuku Bao.
Okay.
Rich, your ball game in the year 2 weeks time. Ediana announces say Omasa and Bar Father. You jump for you be actually already. Ediana Baba ebe ball league match. Omba boy no your pon game no obi say and then the Kotoko lucky even at their home. And the way Adriana be dominate you no. Se na Adriana nya laka kre bia. Ano komu convert you chances and komu ehye Kotoko. Again, ye free stadium wako no. E dim ba kwa na do bia ano was the voice that you played. Sedu Sana. Me I know Sedu Sana from Eduyemfi days. I know him personally. I know him. Rich, the point I want to make is say football match bia baby bono is the engine room, the midfield, and already Kotoko will be facing Bar Father and Sedu Sana omako show moon against those players omudi every stadium mako enti uye Hube Jew uye Prince Bedu Isco player Kotoko Koto in Free Nations by Oye Seth Kojo Oye me Kotoko central midfielders Adabo. Whoever you will be selected to play for Kotoko or China in the midfield, Rich, the first thing you must know is say you are coming up against opposition. Even Kotoko supporters no I show me in the game na omujiri say their quality. So when Timmy and Peja on now one dominating Fifi na Kotoko, you can't beat Ediana. Now Rich, okay no we are. Ubekai ye bo Ediana ne Kotoko we and one of your sister station. The CEO of Ediana Koka say ni defender Alex Boachi Sadi no Obobo grade A game of Babara is better than Samba Onel. Me wa. Obi asi Bomu be na attack kwatu. Na agumedo hide no number Bochi Samba. But he said it with true conviction because Ablanton has come and conquered game. And in defense, Kodokoso who best player been see Ghana Hada. CCA is Samba O'Neil. Now, Adriana has already thrown that talent. Say they have a better player than him. He is coming with the Adriana team. Abetamwa is back. Last time got to Adum FC or Adakwajachi this week. Kwam Pokushe 2 goals. But Rich, you know when Adriana comes with Bright AJ, Mone Ma for moi, they are coming with players that can score. A seminar make an itintini and say, Obiani wa ochina. Oba Baba Sports Stadium are rich. Oba expect to say Oba gamer. Kotokobitua for Adriana so. It's not possible. Adriana are coming with a very, very formidable team. And for me, I'm Yansem Johnny, who have to be neutral crowd here. Rich, I am saying we are going to watch one of the best games this season. Our Ghana football calendar. Now, only the chato. Senior no pay need a Kubeka or Lave Feminine. Now, Coach Karim to Aka on countless occasions. No. Na Safudu Kusoso, a Chana Matoso anytime you interview him. Rich, Kotoko, Ushe this season, baby Omujeni Ababidri, realistically, Cabin Omitimaje.
Until I pick up.
The last time, baby of 50 and Tapukuti. When he was asked about Adriana targets, Rich, what were his words? Or say, League in the they don't have a target to win it this season. They think they are building a team that probably be in the future or meet me aje. Minimum FA Cup there. There are 2 things that motivate you to win. Number 1, a cup competition. You play as and when a beba. Number 2, it is the only trophy I did on the Ghanaian scene. Okay. And they want to win it. And apart from the quality of the 2 teams, Rich, Cup na Bono, it is within the target of the 2 teams.
Okay.
And Monday, Obiano with Marcus, oh, na FA Cup no, yam for attention yankoso masa. What can say? It is a cup you want to win. Rich, so we a football fan. A dear name of my game maybe. Quality, excitement, rivalry, enibre, entertainment, tension. Be a go who be ano. A set up for a typical Kumasi and Asante region who be open football say Sunday me play game a share competitive game. Or be able with the grade A or the bash tension warm, tradition warm, rivalry warm, 2 teams our quality players. Rich, you have to come and watch.
That's it. Insurance of 4.5. Nyami ado mo china. Game no ebeba so awo Kumasi baba say the maybe lines no. Unsu betimi